Hello, good day friends. In today's video, we are going to see how you can lock your apps in Samsung Galaxy A17. So, you need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to security and privacy. Scroll down and here you will see more security settings. Tap on it and here you will see secure folder option. Tap on it, click on continue, then click on again continue. It will take few seconds to set up. So let me explain you what is secure folder. Secure folder is basically a folder in which you can secure your apps. It will create a parallel app in this folder. Like for example, if you're using Facebook on your mobile and if you transfer it to your secure folder, you will create another ID to operate there. I will also show you in this video. Now, I can set up a pattern, a password or a pin. So let's say I want to set a pin. Now I have set a pin to access my secure folder. Now here you will see the secure folder. Now to add apps, click on plus icon. Now from here you can add any app. Let's say I want to add Instagram. So here you can see I have add Instagram on my secure folder. But if I uninstall Instagram from here, in my secure folder, Instagram is available. Why is that? Because in insecure folder, it creates a parallel app. Let's say you want to download an app, you can download it through Play Store, but you need to sign in because it works parallel to your phone. It is separate space in which you can uninstall or download any app, but it will not appear in your home screen or your apps. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like and subscribe and I will see you in next video.